Office is evolving, becoming simpler, more collaborative, more powerful. Its icons are evolving too, into a visual language that reflects the powerful simplicity and harmony of the Office apps. Unique symbols that adapt to their context across platforms, across devices. It's a new look at color, lighter, more vibrant hues, but still so familiar. A connected visual system that speaks to a faster, more intelligent, frictionless experience, designed to reflect the more connected, collaborative way we work today. It's the look of the new Office.